This is a beautiful memorial stone at Messines, and it's just so gorgeous. We've just laid some wreaths in the front of it and some poppies. We're going to have a group photo with the mayor, with the two mayors, and of course with the ambassador of Belgium, the ambassador to New Zealand. But I'm amazed because they've got toi toi here from New Zealand. They've got Ngārohe growing here, and it's a sign of New Zealand. It's a sign of the flora from New Zealand that is being planted here, and it's just beautiful.